you know what? Bitcoin might just be trading higher soon. If you look at this daily chart here, you can see that it is forming something of a higher low contraction pattern. You can actually draw an uptrend line here, and then you can connect this. Well, is it in a triangle, or is it maybe making ascending triangle? Anyway, it's forming like a triangle type of pattern and trying to break out, and eventually the apex will form. And usually when it comes to triangle pattern, the stock is near the apex, it might break out. So you want to look carefully on which direction that it's breaking out. So if it's breaking out lower, then okay, we might decline. But if it breaks out higher, there is a possibility that it might shoot upwards, and you can take the height of this pattern here, project it higher to get an initial target. Let's say you do just clone it and project from a breakout area. Let me just unlock this price scale. Sorry about that. Well, 83,000. Now, if you want, you can take the measured move target and project it higher from this low here to get about the same 84,800. So we have the Bitcoin at the rising 20 above the rising 50 MA. Let me just show you. Above rising 50 MA. So usually when the stock is consolidating, and if it meets the rising 50 MA, it might break out higher. So this is a good hint that the bias of the breakout might be upwards instead of downwards, and the rising 200 MA tells us to be bullish in the longer term for Bitcoin as well. If you take a look at the weekly chart here, let me just remove all these drawings so that you can see it clearly. Previous high was around here, and if you remember your technical analysis correctly, previous high once overcome, it has already overcome, this becomes a new support area. And the path of least resistance, because there is two support here, there is no big resistance overhead, the path of least resistance will be upwards rather than downwards. And this rising 20 MA, rising weekly 50 MA, and rising weekly 200 MA tells us that we should be bullish on Bitcoin in the weekly chart. From a monthly point of view as well, you can see that we just had a bullish cross here. The last time we had a bullish cross was, where was it? Ooh, maybe not. Okay, but anyway, we just have a bullish cross here, and well, if this support area holds, Bitcoin might just continue to move higher. In the 60-minute chart, you can see that it's just meandering. Well, we'll just let the daily pattern. We just let the daily pattern, which is this kind of like triangle pattern, we just let it happen and see if it can break out higher. So at this moment, it's sitting at a 200 MA, and if Bitcoin can stay above, go above this downtrend line, we might be in the start of a breakout, right? Finding support at the 200 MA, breaking out, and then breaking out higher from this triangle that I see. So I would be inclined to be more on the bullish side of Bitcoin, and you should also be bullish on Bitcoin unless it falls below the 50 MA. So put it in your watch list, and a lot of stocks that are Bitcoin related might also benefit from the breakout as well. Hope this analysis helps, and I'll see you in the next one.